Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open the Only Way app from your home screen or app drawer and complete the initial setup steps. Tap Sign In or Continue as Guest to start using the player immediately. Signing in syncs playlists and preferences across devices. Grant storage permission and optionally allow network access for streaming so the app can index local files and play cloud or network media. Set basic preferences, default playback quality, download locations, and whether to show hidden folders. This gets you ready to import and organize media quickly. Tap the plus icon to import files from device storage or cloud and choose folders to watch for new content. Create folders and use tags to organize media so you can filter by genre, project, or date. Apply multiple tags for cross-indexing. Supported formats include MP4, MP3, AVI, MKV, JPG, and the app will transcode unsupported types when possible. Use Batch Select to rename, move, or delete files, and enable automatic scanning every 24 hours to keep the library up to date. To play media, tap a file and use the seek bar or swipe sideways to jump 10 seconds forward or back for quick navigation during playback. Enable background play and set playback speed between 0, 5x, and 2x to listen or watch on your schedule. Use the sleep timer for podcasts and lectures. Use the Cast button to stream to Chromecast or DLNA devices, toggle subtitles and audio tracks, and save timestamps as bookmarks for later review. Explore equalizer presets and download content for offline use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.